Oilfield theft in the Permian Basin has become a serious problem, with about 40% of producers in the region having experienced some form of theft. Nobody knows it happened until someone drives out to check. And the numbers behind this problem are staggering. Industry estimates place annual statewide losses from petroleum theft at $1 to $2 billion, with some analysis suggesting up to 3% of produced oil is being diverted. In Martin County alone, roughly 500 barrels of crude are estimated to be stolen every single week, equating to about $1.7 million annually at $65 per barrel. A Dallas Federal Reserve survey found that 41% of oil and gas executives reported their operations had been affected by oilfield theft in the past year. So, as you can see, this isn't just opportunistic crime anymore. What was once a nuisance crime involving stolen hand tools has evolved into a coordinated, multi-million-dollar operation involving organized crime rings and smuggling networks that target crude oil, drilling equipment, and pipeline infrastructure across West Texas and southeastern New Mexico. The situation has gotten so serious that Texas lawmakers passed a package of new oilfield theft laws in 2025, including creating a dedicated theft prevention unit within the Texas Department of Public Safety and a statewide petroleum theft task force under the Railroad Commission. So clearly, the landscape is not looking too good. So what does a real solution actually look like? Well, the answer isn't complicated, but it does require getting your field devices connected to a network so they can report their status in real time. So here's how that works in practice. Every piece of equipment on a well site has a state. A pump is either running or it isn't. A gate is either open or closed. A valve is either in position or it isn't in position. Those are all digital signals, and if you can monitor those signals continuously over a network connection, you would know the moment anything changes unexpectedly. Well, that's exactly what a module like the ICP DAS USA PET-7053 is built for. It's a PoE Ethernet digital I/O module with 32 digital inputs, which means it can monitor the status of up to 32 field devices simultaneously over a standard Ethernet connection. PoE means it powers directly through the network cable, so there's no separate power supply needed at the installation point, which matters a lot on remote sites where running additional power infrastructure is a real cost. When something changes at a well site, that change shows up immediately in your SCADA system or remote monitoring platform. And that window between when something happens and when someone finds out is exactly where theft, tampering, and equipment damage live. So for Permian Basin operators running lean right now, with production up and crews stretched across more sites than ever, having real-time visibility on remote assets isn't just about theft prevention. It's about knowing what's happening across your operation at all times without having to physically be there. So if you're interested in checking out the PET-7053, the link for the product will be in the description below. And if you have any additional questions, you can always reach out to our team at sales@icp-usa.com, or you can check out our website directly to look at all of our different modules at icp-usa.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. I will see you in the next one.